What you are about to learn from this video is a guaranteed way of making $500 to $1,000 every month. This is a fail-proof business model that several young people in Nigeria and in some African nations have been making use of. Okay, I want you to pay close attention. If you have any form of distraction around you, you can pause right now and take away those distractions and just give me your 15 to 20 minutes. Check right now your current salary or the current money you make monthly if you have a job. But if you don't have a job, how do you feel about your current financial situation? Just take a minute and think about that. Then secondly, I would like you to imagine adding extra $500 to $1,000 every month. What will that do to you? How much change will it bring to your life? Okay, how much of the things you desire to do would it help you to accomplish? And again, imagine right now that you are making 3 times your current salary on a weekly basis. How would that change your life? Finally, I'd like you to imagine as a Nigerian or you're in any other African country where you're watching this video from, how does it feel being paid in your local currency, or would you prefer to be paid in dollars? Right, just like in my own side of the nation, dollar is above 750 naira. So, and imagine being paid in dollars every week. How would that make you feel? I'm very sure you want to be paid in dollars, just like on YouTube you get paid in dollars. And even in the business model I'm going to be showing you, you can be paid in dollars every week. For myself, I've made quite a whole lot of money from affiliate marketing. I've generated over 100,000 naira within 2 weeks in a class I attended, Bachelor of Copywriting, Batch 8. I was the top affiliate marketer on that course and I was paid a high commission from there. I also generated over 90,000 naira within 2 weeks for one of my coaches that sells a video editing course. All right, so I just reached out to him and tell me, let me sell your course, give me so and so commission, and that is a form of affiliate marketing. And currently there's affiliate product I'm selling even on my YouTube channel, an ebook, and the owner of the ebook, just like 2 months ago, I've been making sales every week for the owner and I'm getting my commission. In case you don't know me, what you need to know about me, okay, my name is Goswi Ezugu, just like you can see on the YouTube channel is Goswi Ezugu. All right, I'm the founder of Digi Value Academy. Okay, it is an extension of my brand. It is a platform where I use in teaching people how they can become more digitally productive and make money online. So on Digi Value Academy, I've been able to train more than 1,000 students on graphic design and video editing with their phone, and I've been able to teach also more than 1,000 students how to make use of their WhatsApp in marketing and making money. I have 2 WhatsApp TV currently. All right, one of them is making money for me on a daily basis, and I've been able to help more than 1,000 persons to replicate the same kind of process when I taught my WhatsApp automation courses online. Apart from that, I have helped more than 13,000 persons to learn how to generate leads on WhatsApp organically. I've done that through my YouTube channel. Okay, I've gotten some of my YouTube videos have over 10,000 views, 7,000 views, 2,000 views, and these are the people that have benefited from my YouTube channel, just like you are watching this video also on my YouTube channel. That's who I am. That's why you have to listen to me, because I want to show you a business model right now that can help you to earn in dollars every week, okay, and help you to make up to $500 to $1,000 on a monthly basis. Now, before we continue, let me clear some misconception because of what affiliate marketing is not. So one of the misconceptions that people always have is that you will have a laptop before you can engage in affiliate marketing. Please, you don't need to have a laptop to engage in an affiliate marketing. If there's any system you have that can access the internet, be it your phone, a desktop, a laptop, whatever, okay, you can use it for this business model I'm going to be showing you. Another one, is it a referral business? No. Capital no. Affiliate marketing is not a referral business. It is not bring one person to bring one person, for one person to bring one person, for one person to bring one person. Please, it's not a referral business, okay? Who is this business for? Why should you go into it, okay? So this business is for anyone who is dissatisfied with their current income level, your revenue, your cash flow. You don't like the way your cash flow, your finance is going, right? You want a side hustle that you can engage in without running around from the comfort of your smartphone, wherever you are, right? That's what this business is for, okay? right? So you are going to understand it better when I begin to explain it the more for you. All right, so if you have watched this video till this point, I want you to know that this business is for you. All right, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is promotion and selling of products, in this aspect digital products, for a commission. So that's what affiliate marketing is. So let me explain it for you. I say you want to buy a charger right now and you don't know where to get a charger, and you explain to me the kind of charger that you want, and I go to Computer Village, all right, get the charger and come and show you, tell you the reason why this one is the best for you. All right, I'm not the owner of this charger. Then once you buy it, I will take the money, go to the owner of the charger, and the owner of the charger will give me a share for reaching out to you to buy it. All right, so that's what affiliate marketing is. In affiliate marketing, there is a buyer and there is an affiliate and there is a merchant, or the affiliate program or the affiliate platform. Who is an affiliate? An affiliate are those who promote the products or services through affiliate marketing. Okay, so what affiliate marketing is not, I want you to understand it very clearly. One, affiliate marketing is not an investment of any sort. Affiliate marketing is not where you put money, then after 6 months you get a profit. Affiliate marketing is not any investment. Secondly, affiliate marketing is not a Ponzi scheme. Affiliate marketing is not a Ponzi scheme. So in Ponzi scheme, the only way you make money is to bring in somebody. Once somebody will bring somebody, somebody will bring us somebody. No, that's not what affiliate marketing is. Affiliate marketing is not a Ponzi scheme. Affiliate marketing is not blockchain, is not cryptocurrency, is not forex. All right. And finally, affiliate marketing is not network marketing. Network marketing is on platforms like Longreach, right, where they have some series of products that you buy and get into their platforms, all right, and you keep on rising in rank and all that. So affiliate marketing is not what? Network marketing. We have different affiliate marketing platforms. We have platforms like ClickBank, we have Jumia, we have Share a Sale, we have Amazon, we have Uber, we have Airbnb. All these are affiliate platforms, international affiliate platforms. Okay. Now that leads to what I'm explaining to you. What is DIGITSTEM? So if you check the title of this video, you see how to start affiliate marketing on DIGITSTEM and make $500 to $1,000 on a monthly basis. So what is DIGITSTEM? So DIGITSTEM is one of the biggest affiliate merchants or programs in Africa. It's a digital marketplace. So what I mean by marketplace is where buyers come and connect with the people selling something. All right. So on DIGITSTEM, they help creators, digital creators, to sell their products. So the products you find mainly on DIGITSTEM are digital products. Okay? One thing that is beautiful about DIGITSTEM that is different from many other affiliate platforms in Nigeria is that DIGITSTEM pays you in dollars. All right, DIGITSTEM pays in dollars for promoting their what? Their business. Okay, so that's one thing that is beautiful about DIGITSTEM, and they pay weekly. Since DIGITSTEM started, they have not missed payment even for a single weekend or Saturday. So they pay weekly. Okay, so I want you to know that. So let's go into the DIGITSTEM marketplace. I'm going to go to my dashboard right now and show you the DIGITSTEM marketplace, and you see all the courses right there and how you can promote. You get link and promote them, and if you make any sales, you are going to get the commission. So on the DIGITSTEM marketplace. All right, guys. So here is my DIGITSTEM marketplace, just like you can see. So on the marketplace, just here, right here, on the marketplace, you are going to see all the courses you are going to see. This is super affiliate marketing made easy with smartphone. So this one is 25,000 naira. You get 50% bonus commission. Right, I see Amazon KDP course, meal importation course, CPA course, graphic design course. All right, so let's say I want to sell this graphic design course. What I'm just going to do is to copy the graphic design link. So click here. So that copy option. So I copy it. So you see, I have copied it. So the person I want to send the graphic design course to, I'll just go and send the link to the person. So if I check right here and I check my clipboard, so you're going to see this is a link of the graphic design course. All right, so that's the link of the graphic design course. Okay, so any course you want to sell on DIGITSTEM, what you need is to copy. So when you get access to the UMM course, okay, so once you buy the UMM course, you can become part of the system and you can come here and begin to sell on the marketplace. So there are different payment channels, membership, and everything is on the platform once you get in. All right, so you have seen the DIGITSTEM marketplace and everything you'll be selling from there and how genuine it is. So how do you become a DIGITSTEM affiliate? All right, so how you become a DIGITSTEM affiliate is where the ultimate money machine course comes in, the UMMC course. All right, for you to be part of DIGITSTEM, you have to buy the UMMC course. It's the course you need to buy for you to get into DIGITSTEM. Currently, as of the time I'm making this video, The UMM course is selling for just 15,000 naira, about $30, right, as of the time I'm making this video. And the course went from 10,000 naira to 15,000 naira, and very soon is going to 20,000 naira. So what are the benefits you are going to be getting from this course? In the course, you'll be learning step-by-step framework that helps you move from $0 to $1,000, which is about 600,000 naira in 60 days. So that is where this course comes in for you. So in that course, you'll be getting that framework. That framework alone is worth $120, which is about 60,000 naira. All right, you'll be getting that course. And secondly, you'll be getting smart YouTube monetization course, which is worth about 25,000 naira. All right. On the YouTube monetization course, they will teach you how you can start and grow a YouTube channel. Just like you can see my YouTube channel, within just few months I've been on YouTube, I've been able to grow to over 1,800 subscribers and over 40,000 views. All right, and I've made a whole lot of money from this channel as an affiliate marketer. All right, so then thirdly, you'll be getting professional business tools by top marketers. All right, so already business tools that you'll be getting from this course itself for free. You are getting all of them for free. Then you also be getting web page builder. You learn how to build landing pages. This is worth over 26,000 naira. Right, you'll be learning how to build landing pages from this course, right? And you'll be getting access to 7-figure group by the founders of DIGITSTEM, because every week they teach people on how they can scale up their affiliate marketing business and make up to 7 figures. All right, so you'll be getting access to this group, and also you'll be getting access to free DIGISTEM account for 1 year. Okay, you'll be getting access to free DIGISTEM account. You'll learn how to drive traffic organically and even paid on DIGISTEM. So you'll be getting a Facebook ad course for free on DIGISTEM course. And apart from that, what you will gain from me personally, right, when you register on DIGISTEM, this is what I'll be giving you. You'll be getting access to free mentorship on business and how to make money online, right? Every week I'll be having series of meetings with you on WhatsApp. All right, once you've joined, I'm going to be teaching you what I know and how you can make more money online. All right, on business and how to make money online. You'll get access to support groups where you can grow on with others. You and other people are going to grow. Then thirdly, you will get a full WhatsApp automation kit. All right, this is where you will learn how to set up your WhatsApp for business. All right, you get all the tools, everything that you need to set up your WhatsApp. All right, you are getting all of them for free. This is a full course that is worth 5,000 naira I created. All right, and you'll be getting access to my Telegram channel where I'll be giving you WhatsApp marketing productive tools that you need. And also you'll be getting access to my WhatsApp marketing manual. This is the A to Z manual I wrote myself that will teach you from beginning to up. Even in the manual, you get how to create a profitable WhatsApp TV. I showed everything with the whole practical and everything you need. You'll be getting access to complete set of videos on Facebook adverts, both with your laptop and with your phone. You'll also be getting access to different WhatsApp TV contacts that you can use to generate leads, profitable WhatsApp TV contacts, people that have over 1,000 viewers on a daily basis. I'll be giving you access to these contacts for free. All right, this is worth over 4,000 naira, as I'm even selling it. I don't even give it out for people. I used to sell it separately, but I'm giving it out for you for free. Once you join, you will get the UMM course through me. Right, then lastly, we'll be getting sales and marketing tips every week in our WhatsApp group. And finally, I will help you to grow on YouTube. Just like you can see, I'm growing here on YouTube alone. YouTube can help you to make so much money and earn in dollars separately. All right, when you join the YouTube partnership program. But I'm going to help you when you start out and tell you the kind of videos you need to be uploading on YouTube that makes money, because not every video makes more money. There is different, what we call CPM and all that about YouTube. So what are the frequently asked questions? So these are the frequently asked questions people ask. What if I don't make money? The thing is here, if you don't buy this course, nothing is going to change. Do you get it? Nothing is going to change. If you are not making money and you don't buy this course, you will not suddenly start making money, right? But one thing I want you to know, that everybody have where they started from. This can be where you start from and gain opportunity. I'm going to show you how to even make money, even without, selling as an affiliate, right? I'm going to show you how you can make money once you buy this course. So what if I don't make money? There's always a place for you to start. Then another question people usually ask is, I don't know how to sell. The truth is that if you don't know how to sell, I don't know what to tell you. All right, because you will continue to be broke. If you buy more than you sell, you will be poor. But if you sell more than you buy, you'll be wealthy. All right, so you sales is what you have to do on a daily basis. Do I need a laptop? No, you don't need a laptop. This is my phone where I'm actually reading this thing out from. Just like you can see, I have my two phones. Is what I'm using to create this. I'm not even using a laptop. Do you think it will crash? More like a Ponzi scheme. This is not a Ponzi scheme, so it is not going to crash. It is not a Ponzi scheme. You are not bringing in one person to bring in one person. You are simply selling a product. You are simply selling a product you did not create, right? So that's what you are doing here. You are helping other people sell their product and they will give you money, right? What do I need to get started? What you need right now, if you are convinced that this business model is for you, is to get access to the UMM course, all right? So if you check the description below, you can use it directly and go and buy the UMM course. Or if you are ready and you have your money at hand, as of the time I'm making this video, it is 15,000 naira. If the time you're reaching out to me, it have increased. Okay, you have to pay what the current price is. So if you have your money and you are ready, you can reach out to me on WhatsApp. My link is also in the description below. Reach out to me on WhatsApp and I can help you and make the purchase of the course. Once you make the purchase, everything will land in your Gmail and you will start the process. So what you are going to get right now, once you buy this course, you're going to be getting everything I told you in the benefit you'll be getting from me, all right? You'll be getting all of those stuff I've told you, the free mentorship, the WhatsApp automation kit, the WhatsApp marketing manual, Facebook ad course, free YouTube mentorship, and many other things that you will be getting. So if you have a 15K, go right now and make purchase of the UMM course and we'll continue from there. See you right in the mentorship group. Bye-bye.